video, I will show you how to find Windows product key. I remember in the past, Microsoft used to give it with the recovery disk, or it used to be on the stickers somewhere on the computer itself. But now Microsoft, it make it a little bit harder for people to find the product key. On this video, you will learn how to find the product key without using any software or using any website. First, you have to go to your keyboard and press Windows and R at the same time. It will open the command, the run. Here we will type cmd and click OK. This will open a black screen. I don't know why some people is a little bit scared to work on this, but it's not that difficult. Here you need to type something. The text I will put it on the description below the video, so you can copy and paste straight away because it's a little bit long. So for me, I will paste it here straight away like this. As you can see, this is the text you will do. You will put it here and then you hit enter. Few seconds and boom. This is the product key. Keep in mind, if you hit enter after you put that text and you hit enter, and if you didn't get the product key, it means the window you've got, it's not a genuine Windows. Okay, so this is a way how you find your Windows product key on Windows 10. Thank you for watching, and please, before you go, don't forget to subscribe on the channel. Thank you very much.